Bakit naglaro yan? Chuhin niyo dyan. Gusto din naman kun. Si Jose pala to. Ay, wala pa. Pero kung sa pasok ito. Ito yari ka dyan. Ha? Dito sa anak. Wala ka dyan. Ang sarap ka rin ganyan? Ha? Ang sarap ka? Kaya, tanong ko dito. Lumang ribo na gusto. Oh, yan. Sako sa pusada. Sako ako na pusada.
Aga, for 2. Gaan naman, Otake. No good. Rebound by Tito Don niya ngayon. Pagod na. 14 to shoot. Foul committed by number 2. Number 2, second personal foul, second team foul. Dahaw, nothing but net. Dahaw pa rin. Mid siya po yan. Penetrate. Needs 2 points. Pumawer na. Jack. Body. Foul committed by number 31, Words. Blocked by De La Cruz. 10 to shoot. Kenneth naman yan. To Comedido. Comedido dumiskarte. Easy layup naman yun. Panyori. Jack. Foul. Foul. Ayala for 2.
Putang ina lakas mo. Ay, utang na yakapin. Hindi naman na-rebound mo. Nice. Putang na yakapin no. Oh, lalim.
10 to shoot. Ayala for Comedido for 2.
Harap na, harap.
Lumbapas to ga. Uy.
Baka nakapusa sa kabila.
Foul.
Bakit ba? Dalawa gusto niya. Makilang ka.
Ga. First throw pasok.
Ang libog mo talagang hayop na.
Second throw pasok. 10 to shoot. Good.
Chuchang oh.
20 seconds.
Ganda oh. Woo! Richie Rivera.
Foul committed by number 32. Saman. Boards to me diskarte. Pass to MJ. MJ pass to Habyan. Habyan for 2.
Monday game.
Yan ang pinapractice namin pag Monday.
Hindi mo kaya bang gaya?
14 to shoot. Boss Job. Hawa. MJ dumikdik. Block by Boss Job. Board Saman. Boards pa rin. Parang hindi ikaw yan ah. Ayala for 2. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 40. First throw, pasok.
Napatay mo naman yun, hindi nakatibon din. Back up, Jay!
Time out! Nation! 10 to shoot. Boss Job, dumidiskarte. Foul. And the foul committed by number 24. Penalty rep. Second row, no good. Rebound by Yakapin. Walang iya. Ang magandang gising. Seconds remaining. Pabangan. Board saman. Easy 2. Yakapin naman for the rebound. Teka lang. Apa. 15 to shoot. Grabe naman yun. Parang board lang ang binuhat. Tumawag ka ng FK. Grabe naman yun. May pagaduan. 15 to shoot. Foul committed by number 27 pagaduan. First throw. Kanya ulit. Foul. Foul committed by number 13, Ayala.
Ga. Labasin mo na.
Five. And a foul committed by number 23. Warning for disqualification po si number 23. Second throw, pasok ulit. And a foul committed by number 5. First throw supply, second throw, ano kaya resulta? Second throw naman pasok. Ball saman. Diretso. No good. Both teams are warning for penalty. 26 seconds remaining.
Tato ka kanina.
First throw pasok. Ball saman. Ball yakapin. 11 seconds remaining. 11. Cometido pas tulumbang for 2. Boards naman, dumidiskarte. Pinali pa. And na-count. Foul. Cometido pas tulumbang.
Si Boards naman yung...
Pass to Boards. Boards naman nilay up. DC 2 points.
Relax lang, gusto mo lang.
Time to shoot. Aguilar, pass to Mark. Block by Abi. 5 to shoot. Pass to 10 to shoot. Boards for 3. Babay ang kamay. Ganyan yung nakikita ko technique sa TikTok. Lumbang. Ni-reverse. Easy 2 points. Number 23. Solido. 15 to shoot.
Ang galing mo aga.
Sige na, baba.
Sina kita.
Number 31, offensive foul. 15 to shoot. And a foul committed by number 22. Warning for graduation. To shoot.
Wag na.
Yan kay Pingan.
Pa yung kay boards.